Got to live right, just stay in line. You've heard it on at least a million times, and like me, you believed it. They said it wasn't worth, but trying harder wouldn't hurt. It sounds so crazy now, but back then you couldn't see it. Now here you are, eyes open wide. It's like you're seeing grace in a brand new light for the first time. Let us be the first to welcome you. Welcome to the life you thought was too good to be true. Welcome to the new. Welcome to the new. Welcome to the new. You broke your back, kept all the rules, jumped through the hoops to make God approve of you. Oh, tell me, wasn't worth it? The whole time you were spinning plates, did you stop to think that maybe he is okay with just you? There's no need to join the circus. But now here you are, a new point of view, and now it all makes sense why it's called the good news. Yeah, let us be the first to welcome you. Welcome to the life you thought was too good to be true. Welcome to the new. Welcome to the Welcome to the new. Look at you, shining and new. Look at you, you got the proof of purchase. You were purchased 'cause you're worth it. Oh, look at you, finding your groove. Don't you dare think that you're not worth it, 'cause you're worth it, yeah, you're worth it. Oh, let us be the first to welcome you. Let me welcome you. Welcome to the life you thought was too good to be true. Too good to be true. Welcome to the new. Welcome to the new. Yeah. Oh, welcome to the new. We've been waiting for you. Yeah. Welcome to the new. Ooh. Yeah. Welcome to the new. No, do it again. I got a better one.